Hi, you wonderful grade 4s. It's Madame Lessard and Mrs. Landry here with you. We are going to do a little review of the box method for our multi-digit multiplication. Now, of course, some of us might be using different methods. You may be using something like the base 10 block method that you learned earlier this week. You might also be doing a different old school way that maybe your parents learned. Any way that you are doing it is perfectly all right, and just know that we're so proud of you and all the hard work that you are doing. So today we are going to go over another example of the box method with you. So the box method we think is probably the easiest way for you to learn multi-digit multiplication. We are still going to be working with 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number. So today our example is going to be 37 times 4. Now I know that this looks big and scary, but I promise you we're going to get it out together. So, to start off with, we're going to look at this first number. This first number is always going to tell us how many boxes we're going to have in our box method. So, there are 2 digits. We have a 3 and a 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a box and split it into 2 sections because there are 2 digits in 37. That is our largest number in our multiplication question. Next, what we're going to do is we know that in 37, there are 30 tens, and we know that there are 7 units. But we have nothing to multiply it by, so we're going to take that 4, and we're going to put it over here. So, to begin, we're always going to start on the left side. We can see here that 30 times 4 looks a little bit scary, but I promise you it's not, because this is actually way easier than we think it is. If we look here, take off that 0, we have 3 times 4. Now I know that you're all whizzes at your basic facts, so 3 times 4 equals, if you said 12, you're absolutely right. And then all you have to do is bring that 0 down and add it to the 12 to make 120. Now, over here, you can see that we have another really simple basic multiplication fact. We have 7 times 4. Well, again, you guys are amazing at your basic facts, so Mrs. Landry and I know that you know that 7 times 4 is 28. But of course, our question isn't 120 and 28. Our question is, what's 37 times 4? So the last part you have to do is we have to add this together. So we're going to take 120 over here, plus 28, and we're going to add it together. So we have 0 plus 8 equals 8. We have 2 plus 2 equals 4. And we can bring that 1 right down to make 148. So 37 times 4 is equal to 148. Now remember, you guys are doing amazing work, and we're proud of you every single day. If you need a little extra help though, or you want us to help explain it to you, just let us know. Remember that Mrs. Landry and I are always here for you, and we're very proud of all the hard work that you're doing. Stay awesome, grade 4s, and have an awesome rest of your day. Bye!